I don't want it, Maya. I need it. That's a difference you stopped understanding the day you left the program.
This isn't a weapon. It was never supposed to be a weapon.
Everything is a weapon. You just haven't pointed it at anything yet. There she is.
Get out of my building, Titus.
You know what the worst part is? I remember when you used to believe in this. Before the board, before the money, before you decided saving the world meant locking it in a case.
I decided saving the world meant not handing it to a man who thinks pain is a personality.
Then let's see who's right.
Guess that's the job now.